Italy now has the highest number of deaths from COVID-19 after figures released by the Italian government this evening confirmed it's now passed the death toll even in China. To put this into perspective, based on population size, China's population size is 20 times that of Italy. Lombardy, the region at the centre of this epidemic, is facing a major public health emergency. Bergamo, a city in Lombardy, has the most cases in Europe. After many deaths, coffins are unable to be buried and they've been building up in graveyards. Today the army were brought in to move the coffins. In this part of Italy there are many towns where everybody has a story of somebody they know being infected. This is a country that relies so much on face-to-face contact, large families, and as a result the spread of this virus has been devastating. A plane of 12 Chinese doctors arrived at Milan's Malpensa airport yesterday, bringing with them 17 tons of medical equipment, including 400,000 masks. Lombardy is currently the region most infected by the virus in Italy. After meeting with the Chinese delegation today, the president of the Lombardy region, Attilio Fontana, said that the Chinese doctors were amazed by the number of people still out travelling on public transport and out on the street. They've suggested that the public transport, which is still running, should be stopped and all non-essential production work with it. The governor said that he will speak to the Italian Prime Minister to see if stricter measures can in fact be imposed after those conversations they had today. Earlier today, in an interview with Corriere della Sera, Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte said that containment from the lockdown is working, but it will have to continue past the end date of the original decree, and that was supposed to be at the end of March, but that's going to continue, and restaurants, bars and shops, with the exception of supermarkets and pharmacies, have all been closed since last Wednesday. Across some of Europe's biggest cities, the unthinkable has happened. Businesses closed and movement has been curtailed. In Paris, the French government says they may have to extend their lockdown measures further, like Italy. Madrid appears to be the epicenter of the virus for Spain. They have the fourth highest number of cases in the world, and local officials eventually expect 80% of that population to be infected. Stemming this contagion is Europe's biggest challenge since the Second World War. Alex Fraser for CGTN in Milan.